I'm going to show you how to do number 4 on homework 1.3, 1.4. All right, so with this, we've got negative exponents. The thing to be aware of here, those negative exponents are only affecting the variables because those coefficients are not in a parenthesis that groups them with a variable. So when you go to simplify this, the only thing affected by the negative exponent was the x. So that's the only thing that goes in the denominator. So this would become 7 over x squared plus 7 over y squared. And that's all over 3 over x plus 3 over y. I'm going to get common denominators. So I'm going to multiply by y squared over y squared for the first term in the numerator, and x squared over x squared for the second term in the numerator. So then I would get 7y squared plus 7x squared all over x squared y squared. That's the numerator when I combine those two fractions. Okay, and then we're going to get common denominators in my denominator as well. Okay, so that we would get 3y plus 3x all over xy. That's our denominator. Okay, now we're dividing fractions. So we have 7y squared plus 7x squared all over x squared y squared. And I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So that would be 3y plus 3x. Okay, and now my xy can cancel with one of the x's in the denominator and one of the y's in the denominator. Okay, and so then what do we get? We would just have, we could factor out a 7 in my numerator. So I'd get x squared plus y squared all times 7, and factor out a 3. And then we have our xy, and then we have our y plus x. All right, and that one is done.